Is your bank the best place to request a business loan if you got bad credit? No, it's not the best. Absolutely not. We already know that answer. So today's video, I am going to show you some alternatives to get a business loan if you have bad credit. Even if you got good credit, you can go here as well. I like to highlight these type of fintech companies because you get your funding fast. It's effortless. You don't need a lot of documents. They don't scrutinize everything about you and about your business. So let's just get right on to it. And before we get started though, click that like button, y'all. You know it helps me out. So today I'm going to talk about DAC. Funding with DAC. Now, the first one we are going to talk about, the first program we're going to talk about is how to get 10K in 10 minutes, baby. All right, so who is this for? This is for say real estate agents who don't have a EIN, but they are still, working, or let's just say real estate investors, or let's just say Door Dashers, Uber drivers, stuff like that. People who don't quite have a full business and they are still having their revenue go into maybe a personal account, but they are making at least a minimum of absolute minimum of $3,000 a month. You could apply for this gig worker type of funding and you may qualify to get up to $10,000 in only 10 minutes. So let's talk about how it works. All right. The way it works is you apply and you receive cash, and it's just really fast and simple, right? So here are the qualifications. Like I just mentioned, $3,000 a month bank revenue, and you must be in business at least 3 months. You can't be somebody that opened up shop yesterday and then boom, try to get a business loan. Now, unlike what a lot of people say, from my experience, a lot of companies are not giving startup business funding. A lot of startup businesses fund themselves by having decent credit, and then you simply go to your bank or your credit union and you ask for a business credit card. And let me tell you too, the difference is that those business credit cards that you get at your bank or your credit union, they're not being reported to business credit. So they're still only being reported to your personal, like a personal. So, and I just always say, from my experience, startup funding it happens for people who have good credit. Well, let's say decent credit, like a 625 or higher score. So that's what I've been seeing in my experience. So let's get back to the qualifications for getting business funding with bad credit. And there's some construction right here out my window. So I hope you don't hear the noise. So let's talk about the simple process. So you answer a few questions. That's the first step. And the question will say, like, do you have a business account or do you have a personal checking account? Right? If you say you have a personal checking account, but you really have a business account and you want to get funding of $20,000, you might get declined because of that simple question answered wrong. So be careful and pay attention when they ask you the questions, because it'll just turn into a long drawn out process for you to start over and get this fast funding. All right. So after that, you would link your bank account. You would then review the approval terms. Then you would accept the offer. Then boom, you receive your funds. It's really, really simple. The qualifications are easy. The application and the paperwork is very transparent. You can see the terms very clearly. Now, that's how you go ahead and get you an instant 10K in 10 minutes. So before we get to how you can get up to $100,000 in funding this week, I just want to introduce myself. I am Katina Willis. If this is your first time on this channel, I help people to make money from home and through a variety of ways, like travel, like trading, like getting business funding or becoming a business loan broker. So if now you are interested in becoming a business loan broker, I'm going to put a link in the description box below so you can click that link and get started. And so again, I'm Katina. Click on subscribe if it's your first time here. Now, let's talk about how you can get up to $100,000 in funding this week. And yes, you can get the $100,000 even with bad credit. All right, so let's take a look. Now, you see at the top right here, what we were looking at was the instant micro funding, but now we're going to scroll over and look at the tab that says business funding, right? So right here it says growth ideas. If you need funds fast, you can get same day or next day business funding. You can apply right now and you can get up to $2 million this week. Now, I said $100,000 on the title because just a couple days ago, which prompted this video, somebody said it was a scam. I want to address that right here, right now. On social media, sometimes I may post a 30-second reel just to get the word out that yes, I still do offer business funding. Now, the reason a young man said maybe it's a scam is because I didn't have a website in there, didn't have a phone number in there. So this is just a quick educational moment. On social media, if we put those websites and phone numbers, if they see .com anywhere, they won't show our video to anyone. That's why we can't put all the details in there, even if we put it in the caption. Facebook is really funny like that. So that's why I personally love YouTube. They are cool with you selling a product, because why would anybody continue to be on social media every day without selling something, especially in this day and age? It's something for everybody to sell. And if y'all need some ideas, drop it in the comment section and let me know, because I got an idea for everyone. Introverts, it does not matter what your personality is. I can help you to make money from home online. So just drop a comment and say need help. Need ideas. Put need ideas in the comment section and I'll give you that. So let's get to this 100K that you can get to this week. All right. So now these qualifications are a little bit different. Okay, now with the bigger funding, the business capital funding, you need to be in business at least 4 months. Okay, your business revenue needs to be at least 10K in monthly sales, right? And again, if it's not 10K, that's where the micro funding comes into play. Your credit score. Now, as you can see right here, they have and will approve people for funding with credit scores as low as 500. And this is available in the US and in Canada. All right, so let's take a deeper look, right? Simple and fast, receive a decision within 1 day, and capital up to 2 million as soon as 1 to 2 business days. Small business focus, right? We specialize in small businesses. We work to get you money while you remain focused on your business. Now, if you are a small business owner, I know that you have needed funds a time or two to expand your business or for emergencies, right? So let's just talk right here. Now, we at DAC only represent transparent, top-rated, quick turnaround providers with over $10 billion funded so far. All right, so basically they're saying we don't play no games. We work with the top-notch lenders, so you don't have to worry. All right, so also we have many providers. The platform is 100% online, so there's not a lot of back and forth, phone call, chasing people on the phone, all of that. You enter your personal private information yourself online, and then boom, you get a response in your email. It's private, it's discreet, and the funds are deposited directly into your bank account. All right, what else can I tell you? All right, so how do our providers compare to banks? All right, before we get to that, y'all, drop a fire emoji in the comment section, because I have not done a business loan video in quite a while. But again, like I said, the comments on Facebook prompted me to do so. I want to just educate people. I want them to know what is available, what's out here. Yes, I'm right here. All the links are going to be right there, and you can just get started applying for loans right now. So, how do providers compare to banks? Fastest capital funded in days. Most banks are not going to fund you in days. We all know that. Value cash flow, more than credit score. Bad credit okay, only a 500 FICO score needed. No real estate collateral. A lot of people think that too. They'll say, do I need to put something up for collateral? No, you do not. 100% online. You don't have to go to a bank and sit there for hours, feel a certain type of way, have these bank people stare at you just for them to say no, all right, and decline to offer you some funding. So that's pretty much it. There are some repeat customer benefits, right, for loyalty. And hey, you can apply right now. And I think I had an old domain name. It was giveme25.com. That's when they used to do the 25,000 same day or next day. So you can still get up to that really, really quickly, but that's not what's being promoted at this time. But thanks for watching this video and hanging out with me, y'all. Thank you for watching this video. I appreciate you. I am Katina Willis once again. You know what? Check out this video right here. All right. This is about more opportunities to make money, to get money, to do something with money from home. So thanks for watching the video. Y'all take care, and I'll see you at the top. See you on the other side.